Good morning, primary school. This is iNews. It's Friday, March 8th, and also International Women's Day. I'm Megan.
And I'm Sienna. Here are your morning announcements. This month we will be celebrating Mindfulness March. For today, look around and spot 3 things you find unusual or pleasant.
This morning we will have our school drone photos on the field this morning at 10 a.m.
Tomorrow there will be a garden worker bee workshop happening at the secondary campus from 9 to 11 a.m.
The PTO will be supporting a food drive for Tien Duc Orphanage next week. If you are interested in helping in the mornings before school with food collection, please speak with your class teacher.
Studio 5 students wanting to participate in the Studio 5 Market Day on Thursday, March 14th. Please have your proposals submitted and approved to Miss K or Mr. P by Tuesday, March 12th at 3:15 p.m.
Good luck to our primary Stingrays competing in Bangkok this weekend.
This week is Dr. Seuss week. Today is Crazy Hat Day. Check out the TVs for the Dr. Seuss questions of the day. The first student to give Miss Jody in the library the right answer from each level will get the prize.
Looking for students, volunteers help out at Saturday English Community Club at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Please speak to Miss Tanya.
This is a reminder that indoor games are happening in room 328 during morning recess.
Makerspace is open to grade 1, 2, and 3 students today during morning recess.
Joke of the day: why do you keep staring at that can of orange juice?
I don't know.
The can says concentrate.
Random fact of the day: the sky above the moon is always black.
Mindfulness quote of the day: the happiest people don't have the best of everything, they make the best of everything unknown.
That's it for today's morning announcement. Have a fantastic Friday.